In this tutorial you are going to learn how to claim a listing on Pogogoa.com website. If you have received an email in this regard, then your business or service is already listed on Pogogoa.com website. Type your business or service name in the search box and click search. Do not choose any category or location. I am going to claim a listing of a restaurant called Café Delicious. I will first type Café Delicious in the search box. Wait a moment for the search result to appear. Click on the Café Delicious link. Wait for the listing page to load. The listing page will show just basic information of your business or service like business name, telephone number, website URL, etc. Once your claim is approved, you can add all the necessary information. Scroll down the listing page and you will find the Claim Now link. Click on the Claim Now link and a pop-up box will appear. You will be taken to the Select Your Pricing Plan page. There are 3 plans to choose from: Free, Basic, and Premium. When you select a pricing plan, the features available in that plan will be displayed on the right side. In this case, I will choose a free plan. Tick mark the I agree to terms checkbox. Click on Choose Plan. Fill in the required details in the pop-up box like your first name, your second name, your business email address, telephone number, etc. Write a few words to support your claim. You can also upload a picture proof. Add your login email address. Click Claim Your Business Now. A thank you message will appear and you will receive an email confirming your submission. You will also receive username and password. Listing approval may take a few days' time as all listings are moderated manually. In the meantime, you are given access to your personal dashboard, but dashboard features will be unlocked only when your claim is approved. You can update your profile by clicking on Update Profile. A message will display at the top that profile is successfully updated. Please make a note. This is very important. If you add a different password and then click on Update Profile, the password sent to you by email will be invalid. If you update password, please remember it. If you forget your password, you can always use Forgot Password option at login page.